This is a marathon, not a sprint. That's one of my least favorite pieces of advice ever. People must understand that prior to getting in. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Oh, okay. I completely agree with you. This is in response to that fella quitting his job after he got three three rental properties. Yeah, I would say, and that's where I think the internet and these gurus really do a disservice, is they make like really short term promises, like retire early and whatnot. Retire early is in a decade or so, not anytime soon. You know, a lot of the ways that money is made in real estate, your appreciation, your principal pay down, and the tax benefits, those are not things that you can actively spend or feed your family with. The cash flow is, but the cash flow is generally a couple $100 per month on paper. But in the event that anything goes wrong from a capital expenditure or repairs and maintenance perspective, even if you're quote unquote cash flowing 200 or 300 bucks per month, then a roof, which can cost upwards of 10 grand, well, that takes out, like 5 years of your quote unquote cash flow. So retiring early on a couple of properties or being able to make consistent cash flow on a couple of properties, I don't think it's very realistic. Now, over the long term, building wealth and increasing your net worth on a couple of properties, very much so. But you're going to be putting in on a monthly basis pretty regularly in order to sustain those properties.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.